Hello, my name is Abhijit Dilip Karmalkar and today's date is 2 November 2021, and today's video topic is axis modifier. So we will see in this topic axis modifier, what is axis modifier, what types of axis modifiers, mm, and we will see in a brief. So first one is a axis modifier. Axis modifier is a There are two types, axis modifier and non-axis modifier. The axis modifier is the in a Java is specify accessibility or scope of field, method, constructor or class. We can change the axis level of the field, constructor, methods and class by applying the axis modifier on it. So basically there are three axis modifier. One is private, protected and public. Default is a another access modifier is like protected, is like public access modifier. So first one is a private access modifier. Private access modifier is a access level private modifier is only within the class. It is cannot be accessed outside the class and outside the package. We will discuss, we will see. Second is default access modifier. Default access modifier is the level of a protected modifier is within the package and outside the class. Within the package, outside the package through child class. If you don't make the child class, and it cannot be accessed from outside the package. And protected default sorry protected is the modifier is within the package, outside the package and through the child class. If do not make a child class, it cannot be accessed outside the package. And public is the access level of public modifier is everywhere of the package, everywhere of the uh, everywhere of the project. It can access it from within the class, outside the class, within the package, outside the package and outside the package only if we can't access uh, outside the project. It is a public access modifier. There are some non-access modifiers such as static, abstract, synchronized, native, volatile, transist, etc. So there are four types, and it's we will see in the description how to use and limit of uses access modifier. There are four types: private, default, protected, public. Private access modifier within the class, within the package. Sorry, we use within the class only, within the package, not use outside the package by subclass only. No, and outside the package, uh, not use. So second is a default. Default is only access within the class and within the package. We don't use, you can't we can't use outside the package and outside the project. Protected is a we use within the class, within the package and outside the package by subclass only, and outside the package we can't use. So next one is public. Public is a uh, we use within the class, within the package, outside the package is only by only subclass only. So and outside the package we use outside the package of public class. So this is the four type of access modifier we will see in this video. Thank you.